In lesson 4, we're going to be focusing on probability. Have you ever wondered what's the likelihood of something going to happen? What's the chances is that Steph Curry is going to make his next free throw? Should I change my pick if I'm deal or no deal and I, have a briefcase and I want to know, am I going to win $1 million? Should I do the lottery? All those types of questions come back to probability. And so this lesson, we're going to be looking at some basic types of probability, focusing on some of the fundamentals of probability, theoretical and sort of experimental, empirical, we sometimes call it. And then we'll be moving into some multiple event probability, often referred to as and probabilities, and then or probabilities, and then ending our sort of lesson focusing on conditional probability. Now, this lesson's set up very similar to our previous modules. So you're going to have your Nearpod lesson with some practice questions built in, and there is a PDF that has some of the examples that I worked through in the videos for you, so you can go have a sheet to sort of follow along as you watch the videos. This time I don't have copies of all the questions asked in the Nearpod lesson in those note sheets, but there should be some spaces where you could sort of write them down for yourself. And then like our previous ones, there's that extra resource page where I link you directly to the videos and then the PDFs of my notes and those sorts of things. You'll have a textbook assignment, just like our previous textbook assignment. The problem here though is you will notice that one textbook assignment does not have any conditional probability in it because conditional probability is not part of our textbook. So I actually have an extra practice worksheet on Canvas for you guys known as practice conditional probability. And so it focuses a lot on the conditional probability, but also using probability with those Venn diagrams and contingency tables that we did in the previous module. For this particular assignment, I have posted the worksheet and I have actually posted my solutions. So the answers are there for you to check. What I would like you to do is I'd like you to try all these problems on your own, then go back and check to see if you did them right. And then I have sort of 2 reflection questions I would like you to answer about those problems. Thinking sort of what was hard or confusing to you when working through this worksheet. And then if you were helping a friend with conditional probability, what advice would you give them for tackling those problems? Just a sort of checkpoint, like, do you get what you're doing? And you will submit a PDF of this assignment up online. And if you do it and you try and it shows you put in some effort, you will get full credit on it. This is your chance to learn, so that it's not a problem to make mistakes on this. In fact, I would like you to make the mistakes on this assignment and obviously not on your knowledge check, which is the final thing. Yes, there is a knowledge check and there's a spot to submit work if you want to, and it covers all the various types of probability, and that's the total lesson. And so we're on to lesson 4, probability.